Mm.
Thank you. I found a gown.
I was going to say, these are the only size towels on the cart, so I brought you 2 baby blankets. Okay. So you got a gown. Do you want one to put on backwards?
Sure.
So you can walk around without exposing yourself? You can put the small one on the floor, I guess, to stand on.
That'll work.
I said, do we have any bigger ones? You can't take a shower with a towel that size.
No, it doesn't work too well.
No, it doesn't.
You guys are going to have lots of pictures.
Oh, yeah.
He's got the
Is he doing
hiccups.
better today?
Yeah.
He's got the hiccups.
Oh,
Hmm?
for it to give you a